Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is vegetable stew called in Spain Menestra. The ingredients are 1 shredded onion, 2 shredded tomatoes, 1 sliced leek, some asparagus, a tablespoon of paprika, or as we call in Spain, pimentón, chunks of Serrano ham, 5 to 6 artichokes, couple of carrots, some green beans, and peel and chop potatoes. Let's add some olive oil to the pan and set to medium to high heat. Then we add the onions, and when they are soft, let's add the leek. Once it's cooked, let's add the Serrano ham and stir. Time to add the tomato. When everything is well mixed and looks cooked, let's add the paprika and stir to mix well. Some salt too. And then let's add all the vegetables. Let's cover with some water and then stir to mix well all of them. Put the lid on and let's wait that it starts to boil. Once it's boiling, stir a little bit and then let the vegetable cook for around 15 minutes. And turn down the heat a little bit. That's it. After 15 minutes your vegetables are cooked. But let's check. Check with your potatoes if they are soft enough, and then smash a little bit all the potatoes to add some thickness to the soup. That's it, time to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe,